Hello everyone, I would like to share a birthday card I did for my nephew. This is a nautical themed birthday card, and the paper that I used, it all comes from Michael's. The happy birthday sign, it's a chipboard piece from Michael, and I painted it blue, and I used this Liquitex acrylic paint. For his name, I used these wood letters and I traced them on the same colored red cardstock, and then I cut them out and glued them here. And I used my art glitter glue to glue everything. And then in the back, I put the number 1 because he's 1 year old. So on the inside, it looks like this. This is a pop-up birthday card with a pop-up cake. This is the cake. It has 1 candle for 1 year old. And this paper, it kind of looks like water, so I put this paper on the inside. I followed a tutorial by Jeguridos craft. I will link it down below, which is the tutorial I used to make this cake pop-up card. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.